Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day and I hope you are enjoying this Scratch series. Okay. So please complete your previous projects. You can just watch the videos in the previous, you can watch our previous videos and you can complete all the projects. Okay. So now we will see in this video what we are going to learn. Okay. So for that, I will run this project because this is our spike jump project. So as you can so here the game rule is we need to just press the space bar. Okay. So once we will press the space bar, you will get your result. Okay. So let me again run this project. See, we need to just press our space bar like this. Okay, and when your spike will touch to that particular mountain, what will happen? Your game will stop. Now we will see one by one which sprite we will require here and which backdrop we will require here. And you have to also try this project because this is really very good project. So the first sprite we will require ground. Okay. So now I will show you. See, this is like our ground. Okay. Instead of this design, you can create your own designs. Okay. Even you can create more beautiful than this project. Okay. After that, we have our spike jump like this text and the second, which is our play button, as you can see. So this is our second sprite. Over here we have a two costume. The first one we have our spike jump and the second we have play button. Okay. Now we will see our third one, which is this player. So you can create this player or else if you want you can create a circle, you can create rectangle like that. And for this player also we have a two costume. So this is our first costume as you can see in the red color. Then we have our second costume in white color. Okay. After that we have our spike like this, which is like your rectangle. Okay. Then we have our next sprite, which is your score. Like you lost, click to retry, which is your lose screen. Okay. Then your score, then we have our word score. Okay. So this is our fifth number sprite. After that, we have our high score. And then we have our thumbnail. Miss, what is this game thumbnail? So here we have a spike jump, your player, and the ground. So as you can see, this is our sprite. We need to add total 7 sprite here. And then we have one plain background. As you can see, this sky blue. Instead of this color, even you can add any other color also, okay? So now let's start our first sprite. So our first sprite is the ground. So as you can see, this is very simple. Only we have to do when flag is clicked, we need to go to the front layer. So for that, we will go to event when flag is clicked. In the looks, you will go to front layer and we have to just add this block. After that, we will see our spike jump. Miss that text. Okay. So for this, what we are going to do when flag is clicked means when I press this flag, this is our event. We need to show this. We have to switch our costume because as you can see, we have a two costume. When we have a spike jump and second we have that play button. Okay, so we need to just switch the costume and we want this point in direction. As you can see, this one, you will get that direction. And then what will happen? This sprite will create a clone. Clone means duplicate. So that part we will get inside the control. We have create clone. You need to take this block. You have to attach here. This is our first repeat. After that, in the forever, what we have, we will repeat this 40 times. We need to take a turn. Means as you can see, you will get this turn. Okay. And here you will get first left turn, then you will get your right turn like this. So this is our second part, which is spike jump. Okay. Then we have our main code, which is we have inside a player. So initially when flag is clicked, so what we want to hide this. We want to hide this player. So as you can see, when flag is clicked, we don't have a player. Okay. But after some second, we want that player. So after that, we will first do the next part. Okay. So when we will start a clone, we have to switch a costume. You have to set a effect. Why? Because once you will set the effect, you will get this white. Okay, so we need to set that effect. We have to repeat this 10 times. We have to change a Y. Now, as you can see in our stage, we have this coordinates. This is our X, this one is our minus X, this is our Y, this we have a minus Y. So we want to jump from here to here, from here to here. It means we have to change a size. Okay, and then we will change a ghost effect. Okay, after that, once we will receive the start, so what we are going to add here, we have to show this block. We have to switch a costume because initially we want red color. We need to go to the front layer, and in the rotational style we need to set our left to right, which we will get inside the motion. We have this, and we want the middle position, which is 0 comma 0. Okay, now in the forever, what we want, we have to create a clone, and once you will create this clone, you have to start that clone. Okay, and once we will create the clone, after that, what we want to change y by minus 0.5. So we need to just go to the variable. We will create all these variable. So first variable we have cloud variable, which is world record. You have to select your cloud variable. You have to write a name. Okay. Then we have a clone. We have a difficult, me, score, speed. Okay. This all are your variables. So first we want to change y by minus 5. After that, what condition we are going to apply? If your sprite, like your player, will touch to the ground, because we have this ground. If your player will touch to the ground, we have to change your y by 1, means you will get your upper position. Again, if that will touch to your ground, so then we have to do minus. Okay, means we will do y multiply with your minus 1, and then we will set your y to 0 again. And always we need to change y by 0.5. Now what is second condition we are going to apply? If your sprite will touch to ground, and if you will press the key space, or if W key is pressed, or if mouse down, and so what will happen if your mouse y minus your y position is greater than 50, means all these condition, if that will match, so always we will set our y to 12. Okay, after that we will just apply our next part. Touch if your sprite will touch to your ground, then we have to change y by 1. Same, see, we have to do this how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we have to change y by 5. So that's why we have to apply this 5 times. Again, we will apply that condition. What is that? If you will press the space key or W key is pressed or mouse down or mouse Y minus your Y position, again if that is greater than 50, again we need to set our Y to 10. If your X is greater than 0, then again we will set X to minus 10 is positive. Okay. And in the else we need to change our X. Again we have to do the multiplication and then we will set X to 0. And at last, if your player will touch to the spike, as you can see, so we need to broadcast you lose. Okay, we have to broadcast lose. So this is our main part, which is player part. After that, we will see the spike. Spike is very easy. So when flag is clicked, initially we want to hide our score variable. Okay, but when we will receive the start, we have to go to the back layer for the spike. We have to set a speed, set your score. In the forever, we need to repeat until if your spike will touch to any age, we have to change our x to the speed like this. As you can see, again I will show you. See the spike. Again you will get a new one. So you will get new one, okay? And when we will receive restart, we have to go to that again particular position. And once we will receive the start, so what will happen? Miss, once you will receive, like you want to start your game. So at that time, we have to come to the front layer. We have to show that block, okay? And then we have to go to our X, like this position 254.35 in the forever. If that will touch to your age or if that will touch to your player, means if spike will touch to age or player, we have to again go to our particular position for your spike. We have to change a score by 1. If spike will touch to age, so you have to change your score by 1. But if your spike will touch to the player, we have to broadcast you lose because now we want to end the game. And at last, we need to add two things. When flag is clicked in the forever, we need to just wait for a second. We have to change the speed. And once you will receive your restart, you have to set your speed. So this is our spike part. After that, we will see loose screen. So this is very simple, like a where you will place that screen. So when flag is clicked, we have to go to the front layer and then we will hide. And when we will click on this sprite, okay, so we have to switch our costume. We will broadcast restart because again we want to restart the game. And once you will receive your loose, again you have to switch the costume. So this part we are going to apply in the loose screen. Okay. And then we have our high score. So it means like a high score is our cloud variable. So suppose if you will play this game, I will give you this link. So if you will create a high score, your high score value will show here. Okay. So this we are going to do in the high score and we have the thumbnail. Like when flag is clicked, we have to show that in the forever, we will go to the front layer and then we will change the effect. Okay. So this is our overall project, which is Spike Jump game. Okay. So please try this project. Share your project link in the comment section. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, which is Code for Kids. Press the bell icon. Okay. If you want more latest updates. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care everyone.